Every batch begins beneath the morning sun. Precision harvesting protects every bulb.
The first cleaning begins before transport.
The harvest moves toward industrial processing.
All right, clear to go.
Quality starts long before the factory.
Freshness depends on efficient transport.
Every kilometer preserves valuable raw material. The industrial journey officially begins.
Now, the transformation can truly begin.
Every delivery is carefully recorded. Inside the factory, every onion begins a controlled journey. The first machines remove the harvest's roughest traces. Fresh water reveals the crop beneath the soil.
A final rinse prepares them for inspection.
Technology identifies quality in milliseconds. Human experience confirms machine precision.
Uniform sizing keeps every process consistent.
A steady flow keeps the factory moving.
Now, the true transformation begins. The protective layers are removed with precision.
Every cut prepares the onion for perfect processing. Only the finest onions move forward.
Uniform slices ensure even drying. Controlled heat preserves flavor while removing water.
Cooling stabilizes the product for the next stage.
Powerful mills unlock the final texture. Every particle must meet exact specifications. Now, refined powder enters the heart of automated production.
Sealed systems protect every grain of powder.
Consistency is engineered into every batch.
Safety is verified before production continues.
Precision defines the final texture. Controlled storage preserves product quality.
Automated inspection safeguards product purity. Every process is monitored with precision in real time. Automation keeps production flowing with remarkable accuracy.
Uniform blending guarantees consistency in every package. Now perfectly refined, the powder advances to precision packaging. Every gram is measured with exceptional precision. A perfect seal preserves freshness and flavor.
Automation confirms consistent weight in every package.
Every package carries its complete production history. Multiple inspections protect quality before shipment. Robotics combine speed with remarkable accuracy.
Every shipping case is secured for global transport.
Perfect stacking maximizes safety and efficiency. Before reaching kitchens worldwide, every batch must pass its final inspection. Every production batch begins its final journey through quality assurance. Precision testing starts with carefully prepared samples.
Perfect moisture levels protect both quality and shelf life.
Consistency is measured down to the smallest particle.
Every batch must meet strict visual standards. Food safety is verified through rigorous scientific testing. Every result is digitally verified for complete traceability.
Only fully approved batches move beyond this point.
After passing every inspection, the product is cleared for distribution. From careful testing to worldwide delivery, every batch is prepared to serve. From paper to purchasing power, the journey of a nation's currency is complete.